Hello guys, good evening. My name is Shivangi, and today in this video, I'm just gonna tell you something special, which is most matter, especially those people who are learning English. You are the one you need English. You are the one you would like to speak much better English, right? You are the one you just think, what should I do? I have to do something every single day differently, but what should I do? Yeah, you have one more question. I want to explain my routine. There are so many people, there are so many YouTubers. Most of YouTubers just say you have to explain your routine in English, which is most effective ways to improve English language. If you are, so you are going to the next level. You will improve your English. You will elevate your fluency. You will extend your knowledge. You will brush up your English language. You are the one. In this video, I'm just gonna tell you how you can explain your routine in English. I'm not gonna explain each and everything about my routine, otherwise, it takes a lot of time. I want to, give you a tip how you can explain what is the main things to explain your routine. So I want to say, please watch this video till the end so that you can get right things. So let's dive into main topics. Let's jump into main topic. My friend, you are the one. You know how to speak English. You know how to make sentences. Not very well, little bit. That's completely fine. That is amazing. You are the one you know how to speak. You are the one you know how to make sentences. And I'm sure you have improved at least 50%. What you have to do, you have to do very simple things. I told you how to explain your routine. Even, first of all, I want to say, just try to explain your routine just for 5 minutes. It is possible for you, so you can explain your routine more than 5 minutes. I'm talking about you can speak 10 minutes. That is completely sufficient. And how to explain, right? That is another question. What you have to explain. So, my friend, whatever you did, but 1 minute, I want to say something. If you want to explain your routine in English, so that time you have to use past indefinite tense. And when you have to explain your routine, I want to say, I'm damn sure in morning time, in afternoon time, you must be busy. So that time you can't get time to explain your routine. But before sleeping, you have a time. A lot of people start using phone after eating food. I'm damn sure you have at least 10 minutes. So instead of wasting your time, instead of scrolling reels on social media, you have to avoid scrolling reels. You have to utilize, you have to explain your routine, not for a long time, at least for 5 or 10 minutes. So that time, I'm damn sure you will not say, I don't have a time. I don't have a sufficient time to explain my routine. You have. And what to do? Even I told you, you have to explain your routine in past tense. You have to use past, indefinite, past, indefinite tense you have to use. Any, right? Which is most things. Whenever we recite anything, you might be thinking, even telling about routine, we have to explain present because it is going on, right? So I told you, you have to explain what you did from morning to evening. So that things you have to explain in past tense. Suppose if I say, at what time I just woke up today, so I have to say I roused at 5 a.m. in the morning. I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I got up from my bed to make my bed sheet, went upstairs to use bathroom. After freshing, I have to come into my kitchen where I have to drink warm water. After drinking warm water, I have to go upstairs where I have to start doing exercise. I completed my exercise within 10 minutes. As soon as I completed, I have to read article. I have to read book. I read article just for 20 minutes. After reading article, I have to complete my shadowing practice. I did just for 10 minutes. And then came into my kitchen where I have to make chapati. For making chapati, I have to knead dough and begin to make chapati. As soon as I completed making chapati, I felt hungry. I went upstairs to drink warm. I have I'm so sorry, I have to go upstairs where I have to brush up my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I came back to eat food. In morning time, I add cucumber, salad, and something else. In this way, you have to explain your routine in English. It's very, very simple. You can. And one more thing, if you make mistake while speaking, it's completely okay. Don't think much because making mistakes is part of learning process. Making mistakes is stepping stone. You have to collect your mistake. You have to speak. You have to speak up. Just break your eyes and say something. Don't mute. Don't pause. You have to speak. Doesn't matter you're making wrong sentences. You have to pay attention. I'm speaking, which is most matter. You are the one you are able to speak. You're able to open your mouth. I'm damn sure I can say you know how to speak English. You are going to the next level. You're improving. You have to adapt this habit and then you can see result. You will not get results so early. You will take time, but you must get result. So please, you have to adapt it. You have to implement. You have to think. If you want to acquire fluency, if you want to overcome fluency, if you want to occupy fluency, so I would like to say adapt this habit and just go to the next level. Before leaving, I want to say keep on practicing every single day, keep on flourishing in this language, and keep on smirking. And my friend, I want to say, please maintain your consistency. Don't believe any people. If anybody say you have to learn English so early, it is wrong. Not each and every people can learn English so quickly. Some people take a lot of time. Some people take a little time, but they also take time, right? You are the one, you are a keen learner. You are the one, you are a fast learner. You are the one, you are grasper learner. And I'm sure you will surely get fluency so quickly. But you are the one, you are slow learner. You're also learner. You will also learning. So you will surely get result. Not this time, but tomorrow you can see your improvement. And one more thing I want to say, whenever you tell about your routine, just try to speak in front of the camera. Yeah, you can speak in front of the mirror. In this way, you can see, you can observe yourself, how you're behaving, way of speaking. You can observe everything. Really, my friend, that is amazing. You are get even you will get confident at the same time. You feel composed. You don't speak in a fear way. But I'm damn sure if you keep trying over and over, you will get good result. Firstly, you must face a lot of problems. You feel uncomfortable. You feel it is odd. It is a weird. It is a very very strange. Talking to myself, I can't do that. I'm damn sure you will surely feel because when I was a beginner, I used to takes a lot of time, and I used to think I'm a crazy. I'm talking to myself. It is not good. But as soon as I did, I kept doing, and now you can see I'm able to speak in front of the camera. I can observe myself, right? So I can say I improved a lot. I'm still in the process. I'm not claiming I'm perfect at English. I have to improve a lot. You have to do the same thing. I know this journey is tough, but you have to say it. I know it is tough, but I have to bite the bullet. You have to say, okay? So goodbye and see you. Thanks a lot for watching my video till the end. See you.